just threw this out, guys. Me and Alex came to do a little bank fishing. Is he on there?
Oh, yes.
There you go.
Oh, that is
Nice.
huge. It's a huge guy.
There you go.
Catfish.
Wow. That is cool. Here it comes. All right, look at that. Grab the line. Let's see that fish. Wow, first fish of the day, guys. It took like seconds. Literally,
Like
a matter of
5
seconds.
Pretty much like 5.
Good job, dude.
Hey, it's one of the squeaky ones.
Yeah. That was crazy.
That was in like 5 seconds.
Mm-hmm. Got him?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch out for those little fins.
Nice job. Let's let them go. Let them go, let them grow.
They're gonna get bigger soon.
Yeah.
Wait until this guy gets like extra big. Well, sadly I can't get too close to the water.
Yeah, just give him a little toss. It'll be alright. Alright, dude. That was quick. Hit on worms. Let's see if we can do that again. Go bring the rod and let's get it baited.
Okay.
Try that. Alright guys, we just got baited up. Just a little piece of night crawler. Go ahead and toss it out there. A little ways, Alex. Whoa.
What? Oh.
Bring it behind your head. Like over here where I'm at.
Like this?
Yeah. There you go. Now just hold, close it, tighten it a little bit, and just see. Stop right there. Stop. Just see if you get a bite right away, or if that was just luck. Let's see what happens. Yeah, he.
Oh.
Do you feel a little something?
Yeah.
Just wait. Let him pull it good. There you go.
Again.
Nice. Yeah, don't jerk around too much. Oh yeah, look at that.
Is it the same guy?
No, that's a smaller one. Don't get him wrapped on that. Reel in some of that slack.
Okay.
Reel down to him and then just pick him up. Reel in some more line. Reel in some more line. There you go. Yeah, you wrapped them up. Look at that.
Ratfish.
That's a lassoed catfish right there.
Is one last?
That's crazy.
We never meant to do that, but okay. Huh.
That is crazy, dude.
How'd I do that?
I don't know, man. You got crazy skills.
I think somehow he just rolled into like a circle. Huh.
That is crazy.
Somehow he rolled in a circle and the hook went. And now he's off.
There he is.
Again, how many times are we going to get to catfish?
I know, that was awesome. Only took 2 seconds.
like 5 this time, actually.
Alright, I'm going to bait one of these bigger rods before you throw yours back out because I need the time to get it baited. Okay, let him go. That's fish 2 of the day in a matter of minutes. Good job, Alex.
I'm getting the left and right.
Alright, we got baited up again.
Round 3.
I got a bobber out. And Alex is going to try to do 3 in a row. Let's see if you can do 3 in a row.
Let's see.
spot right here by the bank getting bit. Look at that.
Looks like you finally got one.
Finally my turn, Alex. Little guy. We're having fun though.
We've caught so many of these guys.
Already, huh?
Hey, 1 out of like 16.
I know. You even have your rod in the water? Or you just give me a break?
I'm letting you catch him.
You can give me a chance?
Yeah.
Thanks. Alright, let's see what else happens.
Hold something.
Got the little tap. You bit it, huh? There you go. Fish on.
He's still on there. You're the one stealing all my bait.
Nope, another one.
Again. Another one. The bait stealer. Come on. Get on.
Good job, dude.
He stole all of my bait.
Yeah, check him out. That was the guy stealing your bait. Grab him. Grab the fish, and I can unhook it for you. There you go.
Why does he sound like a goose?
He's
He's a goose.
part goose.
See? Well, don't steal any more of my bait.
Nice job, dude. What are you doing now?
Trying to catch a fly.
Catch a fly?
Yeah.
How?
By making pretty much
Oh,
this uncomfortable pose. The fly goes in. Trapped him.
That was cool.
See? Now you can hold him. See?
That was cool. You caught him just like that. Alright guys, we're moving down. We found a better spot to fish, but it's super muddy over here. But the mud's never bothered me. And Alex is having a good old time in it. Check this out, guys. Cool little spot we found. What are you doing, Alex?
I just got filled with mud.
That's part of the game, right? You want some water?
Nah.
No?
My hands are too muddy.
Yeah.
Don't go over there.
I just hooked one. Just hooked one here, guys. Got no way to hold the camera.
Well, you did find a way to hold it.
I guess, right?
My hands are like froze.
There we go. Nice one.
Sweet.
A little bit bigger. He hit pretty good. I'm gonna get him off the hook, guys. I don't know if putting it in my pocket like this is gonna work or not, but
Chunky.
Biggest one yet. Maybe 2.5 pounds. He slammed that bobber. Alright, let's get back up.
I try to find my arm along with my hand. I just smooth the area, Dad.
Yeah.
So, try to find it now.
Can't see it at all.
Look, camouflage.
Wow.
Look how it perfectly fits in. Look at that. I just did this, Dad. Look.
Smooth it out.
But you can kind of see it. Look right here.
Oh yeah.
And then unbury it. Looks like a swamp monster came. Huh.
Yep.
I am the swamp monster. Fear me at all costs. Feel me.
There it goes. Oh, he dropped it.
There it
Oh,
goes.
he's back.
I'm gonna drop it.
He's running, he's running.
Hook him.
I wonder if you guys could see that down there now. That was a good hit.
Shook him.
You check that bait. Got my bait. Had a feeling. Alright, another piece of bait. Here we go.
And see that camouflage again. See that?
Yeah?
Also, I did it. So ready? Smacked it.
Ah.
And then smooth it. Nothing was ever there.
Pretty cool.
But see, look.
And then it comes out like the swamp thing.
So watch, ready, Dad? Here's a person. Dad, you see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's so he can breathe. But that's also his eye.
Is it?
See how it opens up? That's his nose. I'm kidding. His nose is up there somewhere. Who knows? Wait, ready? See what happens to this poor guy, Dad? Look at that. Like nothing
I
was
think I got
ever
too
there.
much.
Whenever that happens, Dad, he buries it, Dad. And you know what he does?
Here we cast this.
Dad, this, Dad.
Fish on over here. What in the world? Channel cat. Oh, look at that, guys.
Channel.
Channel cat right here.
Hey, channel. Channel. Get it? The channel.
Nice channel cat, guys. All right. He hit pretty good. So this is what we're doing, guys. We got this water coming down,
And then channel.
and it's making this deposit into this area here. So you got a current seam right here that we're fishing, which is digging out a hole. So this is going to be the hole right here, the deepest part of the area. And then we got flooded timber in the background, and we got this slack water over here. So this is what we're looking for. Idea. There goes that bobber.
Right
Fish on.
Don't get distracted. Never get distracted while you're fishing.
I know.
Life learned lesson, huh? Lesson learned now, huh? I'm gonna go back in my look.
I don't know what to do over here. Too much action all of a sudden.
That's why you have a son.
I know. But look at this guy over here.
Hello. Come on, lady.
Well, you got the right idea. Get it all washed off, right?
Well, the best way to get all that mud off of your boots that are not even there anymore, look.
Look at my feet, guys. I'm buried up in my
Look,
boots.
see? At least you could barely even see mine. Still kind of muddy, but it's okay. That's still not into it. Oh. I'm all muddy.
You're my muddy buddy.
Well, at least I can see my feet.
Yeah.
You.
I lost my feet somewhere in the mud.
Something cut it off. Let me try to find it for you. Okay? I feel something.
Yeah, I feel that too.
Just gotta dig you up. Look what I did.
Got one. Got one while you're playing in the mud. Good job. Can you take him off the hook?
Yeah. Since you can't come over here.
Just like hot butter, huh? Good job, little guy.
I was playing in the mud. You were so busy. You almost went for it, but I'm like, I'm helping.
Yeah.
So, let's watch this guy swim away.
Let's watch him swim away.
Let's get ready.
There it goes. What you got under there? What? What is that? That's the, what? I see something. Crazy. I could have swore it looked like a catfish. Ooh, I saw a shark fin or something. You're having way too much fun.
I'm having too much fun.
Yeah, you are.
I'm now playing with fish.
Now you got that line all tangled.
Whoops.
Oh, that's funny. Crazy kid.